Hey everybody, Boone White with the 323 Concept here. Today I'm going to be replacing the spring in a dining chair, and this is a sinuous spring, which is basically the zigzag pattern, which you'll see here in a second. It's not one of the older antique ones, but I have previously made a video of replacing one of these springs. I think it was in a recliner that time, but I accidentally edited it in where it wasn't. Basically, you couldn't tell how I attached the spring and the tool that I was using and how we went about doing that. So I wanted to remake a video. I had one in the shop. Thought this would be a good opportunity to go ahead and show that process again and do it in a fashion and in a speed that everybody could see and recognize. So, and if you like any of the tools that I use to stretch the spring, if you like any of those tools, I'll put links in the description where you can find those. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video and hope this helps.